After completion of miscellaneous examples, now we are proceeding further for miscellaneous exercise. Question number 1 and 2 we did earlier, and question number 3 is omitted for you people for this year only. And so now we are starting with question number 4. This question is easy one, but it is difficult to get the answer, right? Simplification is not as much as easy as you think. So you have to practice these examples, and I'm sure that I'm going to ask this question as in your exam as a 4 marks question, right? So do practice these examples frequently, okay? And I'm going to write with small letters because I need more space. Otherwise, this one word is not enough for solving this question, right? Because simplification is there. And for your understanding, I have to write all steps. That's why it consider more space, right? And I require more space. So that's why I'm going to use small letters, right? So given that, prove that this is a general solution of this differential equation. So differential equation ये दिया गया है, इसका आंसर हमें ये लाना है, तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है, तो ये आंसर लाना ही पड़ेगा. So now this is, now from here I'm writing directly dy by dx. So we get dy by dx is equal to, right? This is x cube minus 3xy square whole upon y cube minus 3x square y, right? So I'm writing now here because this space is, we don't want to waste of space, that's why, right? So dividing numerator and denominator by x cube, highest power is x cube, so dividing by x cube we get 1 minus, now if we divide by x cube here, 1x will be cut, so remaining is x square, so it becomes y square upon x square, so 1 minus 3 times y upon x whole square whole upon y cube upon x cube is y upon x whole cube, so y upon x whole cube minus 3 times x square upon x cube is 1x, so this is y by x, so this is y by x, so this is equation number 1, which is a homogeneous differential equation, right, with degree 0. Got it? Now as usual, assuming y by x is equal to v, so let y by x is equal to v, so this implies y is equal to vx, so this implies I am writing derivative here again because I don't want to miss out this space also. So dy by dx, but आपको एग्जाम में तो 1 by 1 ही स्टेप लिखना है, राइट? ये ऐसा नहीं लिखना है, इसके नीचे ही लिखना है, राइट? इज इक्वल टू v प्लस x dv by dx. So from equation number 1 we get, I'm writing from 1 here for saving a space, right? dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx, because जो नेसेसरी है वो स्टेप तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा, वो तो अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हम, राइट? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन लिखा और लिख दिया गया, या दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, ऐसा तो कर सकते नहीं है, राइट? सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 minus 3v square whole upon v cube minus 3v. For changing this equation into variable separable form, taking v2 here as usual, we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v minus v. So taking LCM, I am writing here because there is a space, right? So 1 minus 3v square, multiply this, we get minus v raised to 4, minus minus plus 3v square whole upon, this is v cube minus 3v. This will be cut, so remaining will be x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v raised to 4 upon v cube minus 3v. So for variable separable, we are writing with all terms of v with dv and taking dx here. As usual, we get v cube minus 3v whole upon 1 minus v raised to 4 is equal to dx upon x. So this is a variable separable, and variable separable, therefore integrating this function, what we get, this is v cube upon 1 minus v raised to 4 I am writing, so bifurcating also for less step. So 1 minus v raised to 4 dv, I forget dv here, right? Now minus 3 constant, integration 1 upon 1 minus v raised to 4 dv is equal to इंटीग्रेशन dx अपॉन x. गॉट इट? पता चला ना? अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं आया है, वैसे कुछ आने वाला नहीं है, टिपिकल कुछ नहीं है, मगर सॉल्यूशन जो है वो सिंप्लीफिकेशन जो है आपके पास वो टिपिकल रहेगा, राइट? सो राइटिंग फ्रॉम हियर, derivative of the denominator is minus 4v cube, so minus 4 is not there, so multiplying by minus 4 and dividing by minus 4, we get minus 1 upon 4, right? Integration minus 4v cube whole upon 1 minus v raised to 4 dv, v raised to 4 dv. Now here we miss out b here, so b. Now if we differentiate this, the derivative, this is 0, this is 4v cube, but this is only v, here is v cube, that's why we adjust it. So we have to apply the formula, and on formula has a square, so if we assume for v square, the derivative of v square is twice v, so that means we need 2 here, so divide and multiply by 2, so minus 3 by 2 integration twice v upon 1 minus v raised to, I'm writing it as 1 minus v square square dv is equal to integration dx upon x. Integration dx upon x. Got it? Now assuming in second integral v square is equal to t, so in second integral let v square is equal to t, that is twice v dv is equal to dt. So we get here minus 1 upon 4 integration minus 4v cube upon 1 minus v raised to 4 dv minus 3 by 2 integration dt upon 1 minus t square is equal to integration dx upon x. कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. Now derivative limit is numerator, this is 1 upon s square minus x square formula, so integrating minus 1 upon 4, right? This is log mod 1 minus v raised to 4 minus 3 by 2 as it is, and integration of this is 1 upon twice a is 1, so 1 upon 2 log mod a is 1 plus x is t upon 1 minus x is equal to log mod x plus log mod c, right? Because all term has log, so I am writing log. Now this is 1 upon 4, this is 1 upon 4, but this is minus minus plus, right? So if we take 1 upon 4 common, see I am going to write directly one step. So I am taking 1 upon 4 common, right? Taking 1 upon 4 minus common, so taking minus 1 upon 4 common. Now this is extra, so I am taking this power to here and log a plus log b. Okay, I am writing one step more, no worry. 1 minus v raised to 4, right? Plus, so you better understand this, log 1 plus t 1 minus t whole cube. So I am taking this to power here, right? And this is log AB. Log A plus B is log AB. So log mod x into c. Right? Now log A plus log B is log AB, right? So and also I want to substitute the value of t, and value of t is v square, right? So we get minus 1 upon 4 log mod, this is 1 minus v raised to 4 into, this is 1 plus t is v square whole upon 1 minus v square whole raised to 3, right? Whole raised to 3 bracket over is equal to log x into c. Log x into c. Got it? Now log is a one function, but before that, okay, if you want to reduce the step, then you can write these two here. So instead of this, I'm taking minus 1 upon 4 to opposite side. Means here it becomes minus 4. Okay. So I am taking minus 4 to here. So this is minus 4 log mod x c. We get log mod x c. Got it? Now taking log minus 4 to here. Taking minus 4 to here. Log is a one function. So removing log and substituting value of v. Right? Okay. I'm not substituting. I just want to factorize this. This is 1 minus v square. V raised to 4. So factor of this is 1 minus v square, 1 plus v square. This is 1 plus v square raised to 3. And this is 1 minus v square raised to 3. Got it? So 1 minus v square will be cut. So 1 minus v square will be cut. Right? Is equal to, this is x into c raised to minus 4. Because I am taking minus 4 to here and then removing log. Right? देखा ना जगह कम पड़ रही है ना. अच्छा कुछ नहीं पता चलता ना, क्या करेंगे? पहले जो कैंसिल होता है इसको कैंसिल करते हैं. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. दिस इज पावर 4 into 2 8 and this is power 4. So this is 4 and this is x raised to 4. That means this is cancelled. So no x term is there. As usual here there is no x term here. Right? See, this is 4 into 2 8 power. This is 4 power. So this is 1 upon 4 and this is 4. That means it's cut. So remaining is x square plus y square raised to 4. Right? Into 1 upon, this is x square minus y square is equal to 1 upon c raised to 4. Now, see what is given. Given power only 1 here and we have a power 4. So what to do next? That is the important, right? I think we are making some mistake here. Here also you need square, right? So now squaring, taking square root both sides. So we get, if we take square root, then this is power 2 is equal to 1 upon c square into, if we take square root, we get x square minus y square. X square minus y square. So it is given x square minus y square, we have to make it a subject. Then if we make x square y square subject, then we get x square minus y square, right, is equal to c square into x square plus y square whole square. Right? So therefore x square minus y square is equal to c into x square plus y square whole square. Right? I am writing here c dash, where c dash is equal to c square. Where c dash is equal to c square. So this is your answer. Right? So if it is given like that, then you have to prove that you have to simplify to get that answer. Okay? Otherwise, your this answer is also okay, but it need to be simplified and take the square root. Okay? After solving a big question, right? Now, sweet for you, right? Dairy milk for you. It's a very nice question, a small question. Find the GS of the differential equation. This, right? This is MCQ question. This is given. So dy by dx is equal, plus under root, I'm writing this like this, 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So this is dy upon under root 1 minus y square plus dx upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. है ना इसे dy के साथ y dx के साथ हो गया। If you take y opposite side and then change, answer will be same, no problem at all, right? So what is this? This is sine inverse y. So sine inverse y plus sine inverse x is equal to c, right? I am not writing more step. This is a variable separable, and if we integrate, we get this answer. So this is the GS, right? So which is required GS. I skip out a step, right? I am also tired writing more step in previous question, right? So integrating, we get this, okay? Either we can put here and directly. So this is MCQ question, so no need to write more steps. Now again, so that we have to, हमें ये आंसर लाना ही पड़ेगा anyhow, right? So there is this type of questions are difficult for us, right? So here again, dy is equal to this. So can I write like this? Dy upon dx is equal to, plus, right? Due to glare, I have to see like this, okay? Y square plus y plus 1, y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. I hope so कि ये जल्दी ही आ जाए, right? So this is dy upon y square plus y plus 1, right? Plus dx upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Are you following this? पता चलता है क्या होगा कि ये जो है वो a upon b plus c upon d है, राइट? तो इसको सामने ले जाएंगे तो इज इक्वल टू माइनस हो जाएगा, बाद में a upon c इज इक्वल टू b upon d माइनस हो जाएगा, इसको वापस में यहाँ ले लिया तो वैसा यही हो जाएगा. सो नाउ गॉट इट, ओके? अभी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? हाँ, या आई नो मेनी ऑफ यू आर कंफ्यूजिंग हाउ टू राइट. सो दिस इज अगेन अ वेरिएबल सेपरेबल. So this is a variable separable. So integrating dy upon y square plus y, and you know what to do. This is a quadratic equation. We need last term. Last term is 1 upon 4. So adding 1 upon 4 and separating 1 upon 4, we get this is plus 1 upon 4 and plus 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 by 4. Either I am splitting out this one as a 1 upon 4 plus 3 by 4, 1 plus 3, 4 by 4, 1, right? Is then integration dx whole upon, same thing, x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 by 4, right? Is equal to 0. Any problem? Anybody? So this is a perfect square. This is also perfect square. So we get integration dy upon y plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is a perfect square. आपको सब पता है नहीं तो, हाँ? Plus this can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square plus integration dx. This is x plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So this is the formula of the A inverse. So 1 upon A. 1 upon A means 2 by root 3. 1 upon A means 1 upon root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So I am writing directly 2 by root 3 tan inverse x, that is y plus 1 upon root 3. Sorry, y plus 1 upon root 2. So this is y plus 1 upon root 2. Have to write, I think so, because many of you are not understanding what I am going to write. So tan inverse x upon a. X is this upon a, right? Plus similarly here 2 by root 3 tan inverse x upon a is root 3 by 2 is equal to arbitrary constant c. Is equal to arbitrary constant c. So these two will be cut. 2 will be cut if we take LCM, and 2 by root 3 is common. So I am writing 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Got it? Any problem? Tan inverse, this is 2y plus 1 upon root 3 and plus tan inverse twice x plus 3 upon twice x plus 1 upon root 3 is equal to c. Now taking this constant to opposite side and applying formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula is tan inverse x plus y upon under root upon 1 minus xy. That is the formula, right? So applying that formula, right, we want to apply this formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, right? And taking this to here, we get tan inverse, and you know how to solve this type of question directly. क्या करना है वो आपको पता है. ऐसा आता है तो क्या करते थे, इसको यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, पता है ना. कैन आई राइट डायरेक्टली रूट 3 into twice y plus 1, right? So root 3 into twice y plus 1, बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस की, we did practice lots of in second chapter for this type of solution. Root 3 into twice x plus 1 plus root 3 into twice x plus 1 whole upon क्या करते थे हम लोग, हाँ, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते थे तो रूट 3 into रूट 3 हो गया, ऊपर प्लस है तो नीचे माइनस ही आएगा, और इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन दैट इज twice y plus 1 twice y plus 1 twice x plus 1 ब्रैकेट ओवर इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, रूट 3c by 2, रूट 3c by 2 हो जाएगा, right? Now in solution we doesn't require tan, means taking tan to opposite side, okay, and simplifying this. So we have root 3 common here, so taking root 3 common, so root 3 common, we get in numerator twice y plus 1 plus twice x plus 2, okay, whole upon 3 minus, now multiplying this 4xy, right? Multiplying this we get minus 2y, multiplying this we get minus twice x and minus 1 is equal to 10 root 3c by 2, 10 root 3c by 2. Got it? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को, पता चलता है ना क्या करते हैं. Okay, so now this is 2x plus 2y plus why we are writing here, this is plus 1, right? So plus 2, so taking 2 common we get 2 root 3 into x plus y plus 1 whole upon here, this is 2, so this is 2 minus 4xy minus 2y minus twice x is equal to, this is 10 root 3c by 2, right? So this is constant, this is constant, this is constant, so this is a constant, 10 constant, and here 2 by root 3, I'm taking 2 by root 3 also there, so what we get x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1, right? I'm taking 2 common from here also, so 2, right? 2, so this is 1 minus x minus y and minus 2xy is equal to 1 upon 2 root 3 into 10 root 3c by 2, root 3c by 2. So these two will be cut, and I am assuming this as a one arbitrary constant that is given here is a, so I am assuming that is a. So what we get, x plus y plus 1 whole upon 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy is equal to a, where a is equal to 1 upon root 3 10 root 3c by 2, and cross multiplying we get the general solution which is you want to prove. So therefore x plus y plus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy is the general solution of the given differential equation. So that the general solution of this equation is this, right?